Yes guys, it's Jando, day 6 of consistent uploading, and today we're going to be looking at boo style stab basses. This is a track that I've kind of just started today, bit of a work in progress at the moment. I've only spent about like an hour or so messing around with stuff. But yeah, I'm going to show you the track and then show you the patch that we're going to be looking at. So this is the track.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. Shadows in my room. Love that I gave you.
Yeah, that's the track, and this is the patch that we're going to be looking at here. Kind of like a boo stabby kind of sound. But yeah, let's get straight into the patch. Yes guys, if you're interested in copying sample packs, preset packs, one-to-one production sessions with myself, mix and mastering services, as well as mix and mastering lessons, and a full drum and bass production masterclass, which is built up of 10 plus videos, very in depth, then drop me a message on Instagram. My Instagram is @JandoUK. I will be launching a website very soon, so this will make it a hell of a lot easier. But yeah, be sure to join the Discord as well. Enjoy the video. So starting off with a fresh patch here, we're going to turn on oscillator A and B and the sub, and we're going to drop the levels sub, oscillator A, oscillator B, and then drop the two random phases down on both oscillators. We're going to drop the sub -1 octaves and assign LFO1 to the level at 75%. We're going to do the same with oscillator A and go to 75%. For a change as well, instead of leaving the level all the way at 0 on oscillator B, we're going to do assign LFO1 to that as well, and do that at about 45% this time. We're also going to turn on FM from B, do that at about 33% we're going to go for. Then we're going to change our wavetable here, and we're going to do ICANN has kick. We're going to change the wavetable position to 173. Next, we're going to assign LFO1 to that. Set that to 7 there. We're going to take the octave down -1 on oscillator A, and then -2 on oscillator B. We're going to change oscillator B to analog 4088. And we're going to leave everything as that. Turn on the filter and go down to flanges 48 plus. Do this at about 32 hertz, and assign LFO1 to the cutoff. Then we're going to have this at 6. Can find it, there you go, 6. At this point we should have a sound similar to this, which is fine. And then we're going to head over LFO1 on the drive, about 25% we're going to do on that. And then we're going to change the res to 75%. And now we're starting to get that gritty sound out of it. Now we're going to make our shape, which is going to be this little triangle down ramp, and then change the mode from off trigger. Once we've done that, we're going to head over to the FX tab. And in the FX tab, we're going to do hyperdimension, distortion, compressor, hue, and filter. On the hyperdimension, we're going to drop the mix all the way down on the left side, and then on the right side, we're going to put the size 15% and the mix to 15% as well. We're going to change the distortion mode from cube to stomp box. We're going to drop the drive very slightly to 23%. We're going to gain stage to about 6.5. Then we're going to EQ, so we're just going to boost these highs very slightly. Okay, so we're going to go with this. So freak is 3.716, Q is 24%, and the gain is 7.5. Then we're going to go down to the filter, which again is going to be flanges PHS 48 plus. We're going to do the cutoff at 25, and the res is going to be 16. And that there is the patch. So that's the complete patch. We're just going to swap the filter and the EQ out. That makes a huge difference, but then post-processing, as always, is going to be the same I'm always doing. Camel Crusher, Decapitator, and we've got a bit of Pro R. So we've got the mix a bit higher than normal, 28.42%, and then the space is 33, and then I've EQ'd off some of the mid lows, just kind of got the mid highs. All together, that sounds like this. If we play that track with our sub.
In my room.
That is a banging boo sounding stab bass. I'm going to finish this track up and probably release it on my Patreon. So Patreon link is in the description. Go click that. It's only £5 a month for a bunch of stuff. I've literally just relaunched it, so there's going to be a load of shit going up very, very soon. Sample packs, discounts on literally everything that I offer. Dubs, all sorts of stuff, and obviously exclusive tutorial videos just like this that won't be getting posted to YouTube. So be sure to go check that out. Nice one.